Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a little holiday wish list gift idea slash what is on my personal holiday wish list. Of course, I do not need anything at all for the holidays. I am so grateful for everything that I already have. These are just ideas for you guys slash if my family and friends are interested in getting me something for the holidays as well. If you guys are not already following me on Instagram and TikTok, be sure to do that. My username is @HannahWhirling, and let's get started. So I have all of the ideas here on my phone and I am just going to go through them with you guys. Of course, none of this is stuff that I need to have or anybody else absolutely has to have this season. These are just ideas if you are struggling with what to put on your wish list or maybe what to get for a family or friend. So I'm just going to start with kind of the biggest things that I would maybe want this season, or maybe you guys might want this season, is I really need a new bike. I had a bike and one of my roommates accidentally took it with them to their parents' house a while back, and now I don't have a bike anymore. I really like to bike. I would really like to be able to have a road bike to be able to go around LA with, and I think that that would just be a really great gift idea because it's super functional and really easy to be able to use. Next, I have an Apple Watch. If you guys have seen it in my videos, I literally use this every single day. I use it to track my workouts. I use it to check the time or notifications, anything. Like, I'm using it all day, every day. So this one is a couple of years old and it's starting to slow down. The battery is starting to die. So maybe something like a new Apple Watch would be a really good gift idea, maybe to put down on your wish list or for someone else. I have personally loved my Apple Watch. Not everybody loves them, but I use mine literally every single day. So I am somebody who loves sneakers, and I have had my Nike Air Forces for about 2 years now, and they're just starting to get worn down because I literally wear them every single week. I absolutely love them. They've gotten so much use since I've gotten them. I actually got them for Christmas 2 years ago. So the sneaker I would like to get to maybe replace my Air Forces that have just kind of worn out are the Nike Air Max 90s. I love the way these look. I think that they look so good. They're just super clean. I feel like they have a really nice like 90s feel to them, and it's something a little bit different than the Air Forces that everybody else has. I personally wear a size 7.5, and I really like the ones that are like the white with a little bit of like black detailing, and I think that they're so cute, super functional. I know that it's a sneaker that I would wear all the time. So if you guys are looking for a new, maybe just basic white sneaker, I think that the Nike Air Maxes are so cute. I absolutely love them. So because I do a lot of video editing, this is probably not a very exciting gift, but something that's very functional and probably important if you're like me and you do a lot of video or photo editing, is an external hard drive. I already have one from Western Digital. It's a 1 terabyte, and I'm honestly already running out of space, so I would really like to get another maybe 1 terabyte hard drive to be able to put all of my photos and videos and organize all that information on. Anything from Mejuri, honestly, I absolutely love Mejuri. They are my favorite jewelry company. I have this ring that I wear every day. I have both of the hoops that are in my ears right now are from Mejuri, but I have a lot of gold jewelry from them, so I think that something maybe silver. There's these really pretty silver hoops that like Charli D'Amelio wears in like pretty much every day. She wears these like Mejuri thin kind of bigger silver hoops, so that's something that I would really like to get because the only hoops that I have gold only, and the ones that I wear every day are these kind of bold small hoops in my ears. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they are awesome. I absolutely love them, but just to be able to switch it up and do something silver sometimes I think would be great. Honestly, I have been loving Brandy Melville, so anything from Brandy Melville is something that I would love to get this holiday season. Their clothes are relatively, like, for a single piece of clothing, it's relatively inexpensive, and it can be a really good gift because pretty much anything they have is cute. Unfortunately, with Brandy Melville, they are not particularly size inclusive, so I really want to make sure that I'm conscientious of that. There are some awesome dupes from like Forever 21. It's just a little bit more difficult to kind of search their site to find it, but oftentimes in the Forever 21, like their basics, they will have a lot of the same kind of button-up detailing or the ruffles on the shirts. Okay, so there's this pair of pants that I have had my eye on for a while from Aritzia. They are the Cocoa High Rise Wide Leg Jeans 33L in inky blue. I think these are so cute. They have a really cute like 90s early 2000s vibe. They have a little bit of that wide leg flare, and I just love, love, love the way they look. I also love the leggings from Lululemon as well. They have kind of that like flare at the bottom, I think are so cute. So definitely recommend that if you guys can find any kind of wide leg jeans. I know that's another clothing item, but Aritzia, again, I know that Brandy Melville has some styles like that, but most of them are low rise, which I don't necessarily like wearing. And then I know that Hollister as well has some flare jeans. So maybe a pair of flare jeans if you're looking for something like that, and just kind of update your wardrobe, or maybe your friends or someone else's. So I love The Ordinary. The Ordinary is like my favorite skincare of all time, and anything from The Ordinary is definitely something that I think anybody would appreciate because it's just skincare and it will help your skin look amazing. The serum that I am specifically looking for though is the niacinamide serum. I use it during the morning and I absolutely love it. I feel like it has helped my skin be so clear. This is what my skin looks like, and I don't wear foundation or anything, so my skin has been very clear since I started using CeraVe and The Ordinary products. So if you're looking for something that's just good skincare, any of the serums from The Ordinary, and especially the niacinamide, is something that I need to get because I just need to refill the one that I already have. Moving on, perfume is always an awesome option for gift giving. The Anthropologie Vanilla Perfume I have been wanting to try forever. I'm pretty sure it's like a very sweet perfume, which I don't necessarily always like, but I have been wanting to try this one for so long. It's pretty inexpensive. It's like $18, and it's something that I have been just wanting to try. So if you guys are looking for a new perfume, maybe give that one a shot. Okay, next, I really need a hairdryer. I was thinking about one of those brushes. It's like a brush hair dryer, but I feel like for me and my hair, it probably wouldn't work that well. My hair is naturally kind of frizzy and wavy, and I'm just not sure if the like hairdryer brush really works for that hair type. It kind of seems like it's really only for people who already have straight hair, and it can just help them kind of curl the bottom. So my hairdryer is honestly broken. It's been broken for a couple of years now, and so just any new Target hairdryer and maybe a new hairdryer or straightener for someone else is a really good gift idea. They're, again, it's relatively inexpensive, and it's something cool that they can maybe use most days, because I usually blow dry my hair after I take a shower. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was everything that was on my holiday wish list, and hopefully it gave you guys some good ideas on what to put on yours. I know I always struggle with what to put on mine because I feel like I already have everything I need, or maybe some good ideas for what you might want to get for a family member or a friend or anyone else in your life. If you guys have not checked out my other videos already, be sure to do that. I have more hair care, fashion, skincare, and more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!